Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you have been with me for a while. I appreciate you all. Today I have for you Ipsy. And so just real quick before I open up Ipsy, there is a giveaway going on that is linked down below, and I will tell you that I have decided that I am going to add something to this giveaway. I haven't gotten it in the mail yet, but keep an eye out for it. It is going to be an addition to the giveaway, a third entry into the giveaway, or a third prize, but a second entry into the giveaway. So just keep an eye out. As soon as I get it in the mail, that will be going up, and it'll come with instructions. Also, there's other information down below if you want to read it. So this is what Ipsy looks like today, and that's really cute. Of course, it has its little Ipsy symbol, and that's just a really cute bag. And this also fell out of the bag. It is Mid-Flower Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Mask, and I always love a good face mask. All right, let's see. So we pull out the paper and it says dive in, and it says see you next month, but before you go on August 2nd, you could add additional products to your August glam bag starting at just $3, but hurry, supplies are limited, blah, 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 blah. Okay, and so on the inside, of course, it has your products, and I'm going to go ahead and just start digging in. So the first thing I am pulling out is Cotton Candy Blusher by Phase Zero. And this is what the packaging looks like. You can see the reflection of my trees outside. I can't get this open. I seriously cannot get this open. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I seriously can't get that open. Okay, so when my husband comes home, I will have him open this for me, and I'll stick a picture up in the corner. I cannot get that open. I don't know if it's broken or if my fingers are just not working today, because they do have a tendency to do that, but there is that, and I will do that for you guys. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is What's the Tea? Hot Tea Shadow Mini. And it's by The Balm. And I open it up, and it is just, oh, I'm sorry. So the packaging looks like this, and that's what the color is. And I have 100 of these shades of brown in my collection, so I will just pass that along. Okay, so if that is the color of this blush, I am definitely going to keep that. That is beautiful. It's just a cotton candy pink. So, but still, I'll throw a picture up. The next thing I am pulling out is by Murad, and it is it's a facial cleanser. And it says Essential C, which tells me it's probably vitamin C. Oh, it has a safety seal, so I will leave that alone. And the last thing I am pulling out is a little Smashbox lipstick in the color Babe Alert. And I will probably, again, just pass that along, so I will not open it. Yeah, I mean, it's just a nudie brown color, and I have a lot of those in my collection, so I will just pass this along to someone that can get some use out of it. Okay, you guys, that was Ipsy. Just a quick note on my Ipsy Plus. I have no idea where it is. It has been shipping to me since the 9th. So I don't know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.